This question's asking us to work with a right angle triangle. It's asking us to work out the length of AC, and it's given us two lengths. So when we're dealing with right angle triangles, we ask ourselves, really, is it going to be Pythagoras or trigonometry? When you're asking to work out with lengths and things. So Pythagoras or trigonometry, well, we're asked for another length, given two lengths, so it has to be Pythagoras. We're not working with an angle itself, so therefore we won't be using trigonometry. Pythagoras, then, we need to be careful, it's a formula, so therefore make sure you write down what the formula looks like, and we need to remember that C is the hypotenuse, the longest side of the triangle, the right angle triangle. And Pythagoras said that if you square the length of A plus square the length of B, then it'll always equal the length of C squared. So therefore we go through the picture, we label up, this will be side A, this will be side B, and this is the hypotenuse, the longest side, so that'll be side C. So A is worth 39, so we've got 39 squared, B is worth 70, so the length of 70, and that's going to equal C squared. So again, calculator, 39 squared plus 70 squared equals 6,421 is equal to C squared. Because we know that's the length of C times itself, then we want the opposite of squaring to get the answer for C. So the last button we always press on Pythagoras is to square root. So we square root 6,421 and we get an answer of 80.1311421. Remember, write down all the numbers off the calculator, then round if we need to. So let's have a look. It's telling us to round to one decimal place. So if we look at this number, one decimal place means take one digit after the decimal point and cut the number there. And 3 is less than halfway up, so that stays as a 1. So the final answer here is going to be 80.1. As a check, we should always ask ourselves, does this answer make sense? Well, because this is the answer we're finding, we know it's the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle because it's opposite the right angle, therefore it's the longest length, so it must be bigger than these two, and 80 is bigger than 70 and 39, so it gives us confidence that we've probably done this the correct way around. So that's an example of solving a problem using Pythagoras.